everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this pre-owned 2023 Ram 1500 Classic that we have here on the lot. Just gonna take a quick walk around the truck today just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. So this 1500 is in your SLT trim level, but you still do get a great blend of features. Coming around towards the back here, you can see you do have your backup camera equipped back there. Of course, everything you need to do a little bit of towing and hauling. 4x4 capabilities. This truck also does come with your spray-in bed liner. Crew cab style, so that does mean you get plenty of interior space in terms of both your front and back seat. You can see in the back seat here, tons of legroom for the passengers to sit quite comfortably. You do have this split bench back seat, so you can easily fold one side up if you're looking for a little bit more storage space. Seats themselves are a cloth seat, are in good condition across the truck. Floor mats included, both front and back. Taking a peek up front, so you do have your bench front seat as well, so you can see with the center console area down here, your standard storage space, some USB port hookups just inside there. Again, that does fold easily up to add that third seat in the front when needed. Touchscreen display area, so access to all of your audio media controls built in here. Bluetooth capabilities and access to just some of the settings in through there as well. Just below that, your climate control options, trailer brake control just down in through there. Steering wheel mounted controls, access to all of your cruise control options in on that right hand side. Left hand side, Bluetooth, Uconnect capabilities, all of your power windows, locked side mirrors. And as you can see towards the center of the screen there, this truck does have 45,003 kilometers currently on it. If you have additional questions about this pre-owned 2023 Ram 1500, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-826-2999 or follow the links below.